Have you ever wondered if you could shift to a new reality? Imagine a concept where your thoughts and emotions aren't just internal experiences, but powerful forces carrying vibrational frequencies that interact with the vast universe around you. This concept, my friends, is known as quantum jumping manifestation. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? That our minds have the power to shape our realities. Every thought, every emotion you experience is like a ripple in the cosmic ocean, creating waves of change. And what's even more intriguing is that the kind of thoughts you harbor can determine the nature of these changes. By focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs, you set a course for positivity to flow back into your life. It's like tuning a radio. Tune into the frequency of joy, success, and abundance, and that's exactly what the universe will deliver. So, what does all this mean for you? It means that you hold the reins. You're not a mere passive observer, but an active participant in the crafting of your life's narrative. The power to manifest your desired reality lies within your thoughts. You may ask, how is this possible? How can our thoughts influence our reality? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of quantum physics to find out. Quantum jumping manifestation is not just a new age theory, but a concept deeply rooted in scientific research. To understand how it works, we have to go back in time to the 1920s when the first principles of quantum mechanics were being formulated. This was a time of great discovery, a time when our understanding of the universe was being rewritten. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states at once, only settling into a single state when observed. This is known as the principle of superposition. Now imagine if we applied this principle to our thoughts and emotions. What if our thoughts and emotions could exist in multiple states, only settling into a single state when we focus our attention on them? This is the core idea behind quantum jumping manifestation. Our thoughts and emotions carry vibrational frequencies that interact with the universe. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we can attract positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. Now you might be wondering, how can our thoughts emit vibrational frequencies? Well, this is where the field of quantum biology comes in. Research in this field suggests that our thoughts and emotions can influence the vibrations of our cells, which in turn can influence our reality. But remember, this isn't just about thinking happy thoughts and expecting the universe to do the rest. Quantum jumping manifestation is an active process. It requires us to consciously choose our thoughts and emotions, to focus our attention on what we want to manifest in our lives. And this is where the power of quantum jumping manifestation truly lies. By understanding the scientific principles behind it, by actively choosing our thoughts and emotions, we can shift our reality. We can attract the experiences and opportunities we desire. Science and spirituality merge in quantum jumping manifestation, offering a powerful tool for personal transformation. Harnessing the power of quantum jumping manifestation requires a shift in mindset. It's not a one-time event, but rather, it's a journey. A journey of constant growth, learning, and evolution. This shift is not about burying your head in the sand and denying the existence of negative thoughts or experiences. It's about acknowledging them, understanding them, and then consciously choosing to shift your focus on the positive. Think of your mind as a garden. You can't stop weeds from popping up, but you can choose not to water them. Instead, nurture the flowers, feed them with positive thoughts, affirmations, and beliefs. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows. So focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. The shift in mindset is a powerful tool for personal transformation. It's like tuning your radio to a different frequency. You start to vibrate on a higher level, attracting experiences and opportunities that align with your new positive mindset. Your mindset is the key to unlocking the power of quantum jumping manifestation. Now that you understand the science and the mindset needed, how can you start manifesting your desired reality? Let's dive right into it. The first step is setting clear intentions. What is it that you truly desire? Be precise and specific. The universe responds to clarity. Next is visualization. Picture your desired reality in your mind's eye. Visualize it as vividly as you can, as if you're already living it. This creates a powerful vibrational frequency that resonates with the universe. Then believe in the process. This might be the most challenging part, but it's crucial. You need to trust that the universe is working in your favor, aligning things just right. Doubt only serves to lower your vibrational frequency and delay your manifestation. Remember, quantum jumping manifestation is not a one-off event. It's a consistent practice of maintaining a high vibrational frequency through positive thoughts and emotions. Quantum jumping manifestation is not a magic trick, it's a process, and with understanding and practice you can make that quantum leap to your desired reality.